Welcome back. Monday means smart money here on News 3 this morning, and Memorial Day is no exception. Joining us with some insight on the stock market is Mr. David England, Associate Professor of Finance at John A. Logan College and a regular here. Happy Memorial Day to you.
Yes, happy Memorial Day also. Before we start talking about money, we definitely need to salute to our fallen heroes that let us have the freedom. You know, it's not one thing free about freedom.
Right. Absolutely. And we also want to start out and talk about a little bit about a viewer question that has sort of prompted where we're going to go with our segment today. Let's take a look at that question. It's from Melody on Cover It Live, and she says, is it worth investing in gold and silver? And where do you go to find out who will not feed you a lot of bull?
When we take a look at gold and silver, you know, I've been talking about silver for over 3 years here at the station. So when we talk about that, that's probably one of the most hyped commodities that we can hear about. So we want to take a look at it. Is it too late to buy? Well, it depends on, we have that in two categories. Is it the physical gold and silver, that's what I look at as generational? Or is it the paper gold and silver that you can buy through exchange traded funds? So with pullbacks, no, I don't think that it's too late at all. Now, where would you go? There's one website, and there's a gentleman named Mike Daly. Matter of fact, he's been to John A. Logan College to talk to my people 4 different times, and he's been on this set a couple times. It's Mike Daly at PFG Best, and people could email me at my site, thetraderseye.com, and I could send a link. He has the best no-nonsense site and facts about gold that I've ever seen. Matter of fact, whenever he talks about it and talks about the danger that the Chinese are doing, matter of fact, this last month alone, when the Chinese delegation had their big association meeting, they invited him to come and speak.
Wow.
So it's very, very powerful.
Some good insight coming from his website there. And in terms of the stock market, you were saying there's something going on. Not a lot of people are talking about it, though, but you're going to bring it to our attention today.
Well, in the last 30 days, when we take a look at the 7 largest economies and markets of scale, everywhere from the United States all the way down to China, we've had a market consolidation and somewhat of a sell-off, all the way up to, as a matter of fact, the European market has sold off over 7%, but the media is not talking about this. Now, this is anything to be alarmed about, but these are the things that I go in detail in my classes and seminars so that we can keep an eye on these things. Is it just a general profit taking, or does the big money know something that we don't? So it's going to be a very interesting summer, Emily, to say the least. And
I know you have a lot of different seminars coming up this summer covering a pretty wide range of topics where the stock market is concerned, right? What do people have to look forward to there?
Well, my theme is Learn What Your Broker Doesn't Want You to Know. Part 2.
Part 2.
Whether or not you want to go ahead and continue to work with your broker, and some people need to, or if they want to do it on your own. But I have 4 seminars. One of them starts next Monday, and that's advanced candlesticks and chart reading. Very, very important. Then I have one that's called dividends, dividends, dividends. If we have a 10-year sideways market, I'll show people how they can make money and survive. Another one is I'm doing options and futures. And then the most exciting one to me, and I've had people ask this for years and years and years, and in fact I'm going to do this one in Los Angeles possibly this fall, but it's my different trading strategies. Now, these are not get-rich-quick schemes. Every one of these, if we err on the side of safety. But yes, it's going to be an exciting summer.
Excellent. And if you want more information from David, you can visit thetraderseye.com. That's his website, and we'll have links to that information and more on our website, WSILTV.com. David England, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.